Welcome back to the Car Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive news, future vehicle reveals, and luxury machines that redefine the road. If you love groundbreaking designs, next-generation technology, and vehicles that push the limits of comfort and innovation, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary. The new next-generation 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, officially unveiled and setting an entirely new benchmark for ultra-luxury travel on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a statement. From the moment it is revealed, it becomes clear that this motorhome is designed for those who demand first-class comfort wherever they go. Maybach has taken its legendary luxury philosophy and expanded it into a full-scale motorhome experience, blending elegance, advanced engineering, and absolute refinement. Starting with the exterior, the design is instantly recognizable as Maybach. The signature chrome accents, upright grille, and flowing body lines give this motorhome a commanding yet graceful presence. LED lighting wraps seamlessly around the vehicle, with animated light signatures that greet you as you approach. Every surface feels sculpted with precision, from the aerodynamic roofline to the flush door handles and massive panoramic windows that flood the interior. With natural light, this is a motorhome that looks just as luxurious parked at a resort as it does cruising down the highway. Under the skin, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is built on a next-generation platform, engineered for comfort and stability. Advanced adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring an incredibly smooth ride even on long journeys. Whether you are traveling through city streets or open highways, the experience inside remains calm, quiet, and effortlessly refined. Powering this luxury giant is a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, combining a high-performance engine with electric assistance. This setup delivers strong, smooth acceleration while improving efficiency and reducing emissions. Mercedes Maybach has also integrated intelligent drive modes, allowing drivers to prioritize comfort, efficiency, or performance depending on the journey. Despite its size, the motorhome feels confident and easy to drive thanks to advanced steering assistance and driver support systems. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome truly comes alive. The interior feels more like a private jet lounge than a traditional motorhome. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood trims, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. Every material is carefully selected to deliver a sense of warmth and sophistication. The living area is spacious and flexible, featuring plush reclining seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. A large digital display integrates entertainment, navigation, and vehicle controls, all accessible through voice commands or touch controls. Passengers can enjoy a premium surround sound system tuned specifically for the cabin, delivering concert-level audio quality wherever the road takes you. One of the highlights of the Maybach Motorhome is its private suite. The bedroom features a full-size luxury bed with memory foam, adjustable lighting, and panoramic views through tinted windows. Privacy glass and sound insulation ensure complete relaxation. The onboard bathroom rivals that of a five-star hotel, complete with a rain shower, high-end fixtures, and smart water management systems. The kitchen area is equally impressive, equipped with premium appliances, induction cooking, smart storage solutions, and a built-in coffee system. Whether you are preparing a quick meal or hosting an elegant dinner on the road, the space is designed to make everything effortless. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. The vehicle features an advanced AI-powered infotainment system that learns your preferences over time. Climate control, lighting, entertainment, and even scent diffusion can be customized to suit your mood. A dedicated mobile app allows owners to monitor and control key functions remotely, adding convenience and peace of mind. Safety has not been overlooked either. The motorhome comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision prevention systems, and autonomous parking features. These systems work together to make long-distance travel safer and less tiring. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is designed for those who see travel as an experience, not just a destination. It represents the future of luxury mobility, where comfort, technology, and elegance move together as one. This is not just a motorhome, it is a moving sanctuary, offering freedom without sacrificing refinement. So what do you think of the new next-generation 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome? Would you take this luxury masterpiece on a cross-country adventure or park it at your dream destination? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive reveal, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the Car Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury car and motorhome updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.